from day 2, Monday at ISTE Live 2022. We are getting ready to start the day with Byju's Connected Campus. I got my coffee and heading to the booth now. Let's go check it out.
Good morning!
Good morning from day 2. Alrighty, so yesterday we saw the ISTE Live Solutions Hub room being set up. Let's go check it out now that it's all finished.
Hi, I'm Nina. I'm the storyteller at Byju's.
And I'm Courtney with Osmo.
And we are so excited to be here on day 2.
Hi, I'm Rob Pontecorvo from GeoGebra. We're very excited to be here today as part of the Byju's family.
Hi, I'm Linda Kurtz. I'm with Byju's Tinker. I am an ambassador for Tinker. Presented yesterday on coding as creation, and I'm looking forward to Wednesday's presentation on STEM, focusing again on coding as creation. We have a booth at 3130. The whole team is here. Love to see everybody down here. I love Tinker. I'm a longtime Tinker teacher, lover of Tinker, and can't wait to talk to you guys more about it.
I'm so excited to be at my first ever ISTE. I'm at Byju's Connected Campus, and I am so excited and can't wait to explore all things Byju and Osmo.
Hi guys, I am Ritu. I'm at the Byju's Connected Campus, and this is Byju's Learning. It's an interactive learning program that features Disney, and it's for pre-K to grade 3. So come by and check out our booth out.
Hi everyone, I'm Katie, and I'm the Educator Relations Manager here at EPIC, digital reading library for kids. It's available for kids kindergarten through 6th grade, and a lot of educators like to use it for research projects, for guided reading, independent reading, their daily 5, all of the above. There's also videos, read to me books, audio books, a ton of amazing stuff on EPIC.
It is the end of day 2 here at Byju's Connected Campus at ISTE Live 2022. It's been a great day. We were able to talk to so many educators about Byju's family of products. We had some staff from each of the brands talk about their individual products. So definitely a lot of learning today, a lot of meeting, a lot of connecting. Ready to end the day. It's been a long one, but a great one.